push until you don't see. Oh, okay. It's not even connected from the freaking factory. Oh shit. And I called them, asked for warranty. They said try this procedure. Yes, they told me to do it myself, pretty much. Until only.
Did you buy this at Costco?
I'm recording. Hang on.
Why are you recording this? Are you posting this on your secret YouTube channel?
Yes. Okay, so because they didn't, so I have water all over the place on the electrical.
It's broken now.
No, it's working now.
Can I check?
All right, let's clean it up.